The Qlippoth hold the keys to your deepest resistances where everything's gone wrong, but also they hold the keys to their transformation. The Qlippoth are the dark side of the Kabbalistic Tree of Life, often considered evil. By Kabbalists, they tend to avoid these things as bad things to push away. To the dark magicians on the left-hand path, they're seen as sources of power. What I say, though, it's time to overcome this duality, realize that everything has its place. Yes, the Qlippoth hold the keys to your deepest resistances where everything's gone wrong, but also they hold the keys to their transformation. I'm going to be teaching you to use these Qlippoth energies outside the general construction of light and dark, good and evil to understand the true place in your consciousness in life. So you can access your deepest resistances, what's gone wrong over many lifetimes, and finally transform it. So when you come out of this workshop, no longer fearing the darkness, but realizing it's your friend. It gives you the power to go into your deep resistances, transform them, and make the biggest transformations in your life ever. So come and do this workshop. You won't regret it because you'll learn how to master these 10 spheres, what we consider to be darkness, overcome all your fears and superstition about it, and actually harness these powers so you get maximum transformation in your life.